Introducing the InSinkErator Invite Contour Instant Hot Water Dispenser, a cutting-edge kitchen appliance designed to revolutionize your daily culinary experience. With its chrome side faucet, adjustable temperature control, and seamless installation process, this dispenser delivers near-boiling water on demand, making it an essential addition for efficient and contemporary kitchen operations. Join us as we delve into the key features, innovative design, and unparalleled functionality of this dispenser. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient instant hot water delivery. This water dispenser stands out with its chrome side faucet and a 2/3 gallon stainless steel tank that swiftly delivers near-boiling water on demand. The easy-to-adjust temperature control ensures that you get the desired hot water for various applications. Number 2. Original design and hassle-free installation. Featuring an original dispenser style with a convenient twist top handle, this dispenser not only excels in functionality, but also design. The installation process is simplified with a single hole in your countertop and an electrical setup under the sink, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Hot water on demand for various applications. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or brewing hot beverages, this dispenser sits conveniently at the edge of your kitchen sink, providing near-boiling water precisely when you need it. This feature translates to significant time savings, optimal space utilization, and energy efficiency in the kitchen. Number 4. Faster, cleaner, smarter kitchen operations. From meal preparation to cleanup, this water dispenser complements its iconic garbage disposals, collectively making kitchen tasks faster, cleaner, and more streamlined. The housing material, though plastic, ensures durability. Number 5. Chrome finish and stainless steel tank. The dispenser's chrome finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, and the 2/3 gallon stainless steel tank ensures durability and longevity. The included components, coupled with the sleek design, make it a stylish yet functional addition to your kitchen space. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 3.7 inches depth by 5.6 inches width by 6 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Swift near-boiling water delivery. Stylish chrome side faucet. Original dispenser design with a twist top handle. Effortless single-hole installation. 1 reason not to buy. Chrome finish may show water spots. Conclusion. The InSinkErator Invite Contour Instant Hot Water Dispenser combines style, efficiency, and a rich history of innovation. With its sleek design, easy installation, and reliable performance, it's a valuable addition to any kitchen, providing hot water at your fingertips for a variety of purposes. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.